In Matthew chapter 5 verse 16 it says, "Let your light shine before men in such a way that they may see your good works and glorify your Father who is in heaven." So ito isang turo ni Jesus sa kanyang mga alagad, and it's also being taught to us today, no, because we are followers of Jesus. So pagka ikaw ay nananampalataya kay Jesus at tinanggap mo siya bilang Panginoon tagapagligtas, ito isang turo niya. Sabi niya, let your light shine. So paano natin ipapakita yung kaliwanagan na yun? By showing good works, by doing good works. In the Bible, when we say darkness, meaning we are living in sin. Sin is darkness. So kahit sabihin mong nabubuhay ka, minsan yung ginagawa natin, akala natin tama, yung palang mali sa mata ng Diyos. So we are living in sin. Now Jesus is the light of the world. He committed no sin. Pero nung namatay siya sa krus ng Kalbaryo, lahat ng kasalanan ng mundo ay ipinasa sa Kanya. Yet, Jesus is our light. Siya ang ating kaliwanagan. Kaya pag tinanggap natin si Jesus as Lord and Savior ng buhay natin, tayo ay nagiging kagaya niya. At dapat magiging kagaya natin siya sa ating buhay. And so, when we follow Jesus, people will see this light. How? By the good works na pinapakita mo. So, the salvation produces good works. Dahil ikaw ay parte na ni Jesus at sinasapamuhay mo yung buhay ni Jesus, then nakikita yon ng iba. And your good works will bring glory to the Father. And so when you show good works to others, people will come to know who Jesus is, and sila rin tatanggapin nila si Jesus as Lord and Savior ng buhay nila. At gagayahin din nila si Jesus. So, an encouragement, my friends. Be serious with your Christian living. Being Christian is not easy. Yet, we are to be serious about it. We are part of the kingdom. We are all part of the kingdom. So, let us act like we are part of the kingdom of Jesus. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.